أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is a section regarding acupuncture and therapy. When this individual was at a hospital, they were excited about doctors and patients working together rather than patients being isolated in a private room. Tens of people were treated communally in a room crowded with tables and chairs. The atmosphere was neither frantic nor chaotic, but friendly, vocal, and intimate. Some people have traveled a certain amount of time, space, or distance to be seen at this place, at this type of mustashfa, a hospital, and they were resolving difficult cases. It felt amazing to be in a location or a place or environment where people were helping one another. Patients were helping each other by sharing their individual stories, and intentions were made to advance and strengthen those who were seeking to understand. There was a certain atmosphere of support and intense joviality as these types of procedures were being openly practiced for the sake of interchange and interdependent responsibility. Acupuncture over time has maximized its benefits and has begun to focus on treatments that are of specific concern to a person and their family. And these treatments are available as frequent as necessary. It is affordable. It's exceptionally important for a person's physical and emotional capacity to be strengthened through these visits or interchanges. And it will depend on access to hospital settings, outpatient clinics, and support of private and or public industry. So this is a list of some of the things that acupuncture does. It is considered a treatment of specific ailments, of blood, of moisture, of organ networks, and the channels that communicate to our body systems or physiological systems. Acupuncture is important for withdrawal of cigarettes or even stress or surgery. It minimizes the signs of aging and it increases certain immunity related either disorders or ailments. The World Health Organization and the United Nations have listed what it considers as a short list or a appropriate documentation of what it has been proven to do. So it reduces insomnia, stress, depression, anxiety. It reduces certain types of herpes, acne, eczema. It can actually work for ear, nose, and throat doctors in, again, sending signals to the body for increased eyesight, reduced dizziness, reduced sore throats. Internal, it can increase certain types of respiratory strengths and reduce asthma. It can be used for certain types of diarrhea or constipation. It's not saying don't treat the symptom, but this is a proven scientific way of long-term prevention of current or future diseases and immediate relief for current either symptoms or known ailments that have been proven. This says, for example, arthritis is something that a person struggled with, and after their first treatment, they could open a bottle or a jar or a box again, and they hadn't done that in a very long time. There were certain types of cramps that were bothering this person, and it would make them tired and not able to sleep. And simply by going to acupuncture and a few herbs, they were able to do that again. And this is a young person in their early 20s. So this is extraordinary, and they have probably about 30 different people listed here who speak to how they conquered inhalers or certain arthritic ailments or certain urinary difficulties, or even in some case, this said for 3 years they had no energy, no stamina. They'd been diagnosed with Epstein-Barr virus, and they had yeast in their digestive tract. At the beginning of acupuncture, they felt spaced out and tired. They felt more energetic, digestion improved, and they stopped having shortness of breath. Even immunity-related ailments. After 8 months of treatment a week, combined with herbal medicines or tonics, they regained their strength and they felt as if they could work a normal lifestyle. And this has been a number of months or years at this point, and they will never hesitate to use acupuncture if these types of ailments or symptoms reappear. And I'll stop there. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات رحمة للعالمين وكل من في الأرض والسماوات وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين. السلام عليكم. Peace.